or what we call the eye lens, has lost its elasticity. Now, I'm taking you back a bit in some keywords. Now, this word elasticity means that the lens is now not able to convert, to change shape. That means it's not more flexible as it is supposed to be. So that could be one of the conditions that this 60-old woman is facing. Now, let us explain. Let us explain why. Now, why are we saying this? You know, at old age, at old age, our eye lens, the eye lens, you know, in the eye there is a lens. Let me draw a lens here, an eye here. Okay, so we have a lens here. Usually the eye is something like this. Then we have a retina here. So this is always our lens. So this lens is the one that is actually always contracting, relaxing, directing like that, so that it allows either more light or what like that to enter. And also it focuses. It is able to focus. Remember, we have a retina. When light rays come and hit, it is supposed to converge them to be able to form the image exactly at the what? At the retina. Now, it is different in long-sightedness here. Now, that's why I'm saying that at old age, the eye lens tends to lose its elasticity. Erana could have also said its flexibility. So what does this bring? This means that the lens becomes less able, or has less able to change shape. Now that means contracting, directing like that, change shape. Because according or depending on the distance from which the light is coming from, if the image from which the light is coming from is far, now it may need to also change the shape to allow easy converging of the lenses to make sure they are focused on the what? On the retina. So in biology we call this reduced accommodation. Now I know people who studied biology remember this. Reduced accommodation. Now, if this one is very hard for you, just know that your biology stopped at senior 4, OP, or senior 1. So this is what we call reduced accommodation. This is a term that we can use here, but I didn't want to use that because we have people who are not conversant with the term. Now, as a result, what happens? As a result, now we are going to see when the lens is not able to change shape easily or be flexible enough, what happens? Now, the light rays from the what? From the object. What happens to them are not sufficiently converged. Now, those of you who remember the types of lenses, the concave, which was always drawn like this, and then the convex, which was like this.